Introduction of Environmental Science. What is environmental science? When you hear a word environmental science, what comes in your mind? It's pretty obvious. I guess you will say environment and natural resources. I know that you are very familiar in trees, animals, plants, water, etc. because we always saw it in our surrounding or environment. The whole cover of environmental science tells about natural resources and environment. Speaking of natural resources are the resources which are natural, simple as that. It is not man-made. It can be renewable resources or non-renewable resources. Renewable resources is a resources that can be replaced by natural processes as quickly as humans use them. It's one that can be used repeatedly and does not run out because it is naturally replaced. A renewable resources essentially has an endless supply such as solar energy, wind energy, and geothermal pressure. Solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, biomass energy, sun, water, air, and plants are some examples of renewable resources. On the other hand, non-renewable resources are the resources that exist in fixed amount. They can be used up. Once these resources are used up, they cannot be replaced, which is a major problem for humanity as we are currently dependent on them to supply most of our energy needs. Coal, natural gas, oil, and nuclear energy and minerals are some examples of non-renewable resources. What is really the definition of environmental science? Environmental science is an interdisciplinary academic field. It is relating to more than one branch of knowledge because it involves or draws on ecology, geology, meteorology, biology, chemistry, engineering, and physics to study environmental problems and human impacts on the environment. Our environment is very important to us because it is where we live and share resources with other species. Environmental science enlightens us on how to conserve our environment in the face of increasing human population growth and anthropogenic activities that degrade natural resources and ecosystem. So environmental science play a vital role to educate people on how to make use and conserve the natural resources, and to understand the role of environment in the healthy living of human beings. Environmental science have three main goals. First, learn how the natural world works. Second, understand how we humans interact with the environment. And the last is to determine how we affect the environment. That's all for today's video, and I hope you learned something from me.